guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So it has been a really long time that I haven't posted a review video, but this time I have something really new and exciting, and I really don't know from where to start as this product is revolutionary and next level advanced liquid skincare, and this would somewhere give you a glimpse of what future of skincare exactly looks like. This is L'Oreal Paris New Crystal Micro Essence Serum. With 10 layer deeper penetration into the skin, it gets absorbed quickly and deeply repairs your skin, and at the same time it is ultra lightweight with micro essence which does not feel heavy or sticky on your skin, and that again made it hit my top chart of favorites. So in this video I would be giving you a detailed review of L'Oreal Paris New Crystal Micro Essence Serum, how to use it, when to use it, after effects, and my final take on the product. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So starting off with the packaging, this translucent bottle gives absolute premium feel, and at the same time the bottle is super sleek and nicely packed, so there would be a greater ease of carrying it on a daily basis. And let me tell you guys, this is one of the favorite product in almost all Southeast countries, and now I got to know the reason why. And recently I got my hands on this serum, and the fact that made me fall for this serum is its water-like texture. Let me show that. With this texture, it has micro essence formula which can make your skin feel radiant, plump, and goes 10 layer deeper into the skin and does its magic. So I have been using this serum from around 2 weeks now, so I have to tell you guys that this is what your skin needs. Let me tell you how to apply it. You have to take 3 to 4 drops of the serum on your palm and mix it gently, not too much, a little bit of it, and then dab it gently, starting from your forehead, moving to cheeks, and finishing it off with your chin. And you really don't need to use any cotton pad or anything to do so. Your hands are the best to do the job. So for best result of this serum, you can use it twice a day on your properly cleansed skin, once in the morning after face wash and at night before sleeping. And you can even use it in multiple ways. You can just pair it up with your sunscreen before stepping out of your house, and you can just simply replace your sticky moisturizer with it. And I have used many serums and many moisturizers in the past, and some of them feel really heavy and thick on the skin, but this serum is ultra lightweight and water-like texture, and summer is not so far, so this serum would be perfect for hot and humid weather to make your skin plump and radiant. And I remember the day I have included it in my everyday skincare routine, my skin feels so plump, so radiant, smooth, hydrated, and most importantly refreshed every time, which I think everyone loves. So if I have to rate this product out of 5, then I would definitely give it a 5 on 5, and I think you guys should try this out. This particular serum is available in 3 different sizes, and the one which I have is 130 ml bottle which charges around 1400 rupees, but this serum is available in 2 other sizes. The first one is 22 ml bottle which is a trial pack for rupees 250, quite affordable, and the other one is a moderate sized bottle, 65 ml bottle for 799, and I leave a link in the description if in case you guys want to try it and give this a shot. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it and found this little review video helpful. And if you did, then don't forget to hit like, share, comment, and please subscribe to this channel. I pyar you guys. Bye bye.